स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। अभी आज हम लोग जनरल कंसिडरेशन के ऊपर बात करेंगे। उसमें डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स है, उसको एक एक करके बात करेंगे कि इसका मतलब क्या है कि हम लोग जो पायलट प्लांट कर रहे हैं उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ के ऊपर फोकस देंगे। पहला है कि reporting responsibility. So in reporting responsibility we have to see that the pilot plant activities actually it is done by the R&D department. वो R&D उसके अंदर इनसाइड द प्रीमाइसेस उसका एक्टिविटी कर सकता है उसके विथ यूजिंग सेपरेट स्टाफ, और उसका आउटसाइड भी कर सकता है वो यूजिंग सेपरेट टेक्निकल सर्विस। जो डाटा मिलेगा वो R&D क्या करेगा, उसको डिपार्टमेंट में रख के फिर वो उनका जो कंपनी का जो अथॉरिटी उनको बोल देगा कि मतलब दे विल इन्फॉर्म दैट वी हैव रेडी टू प्रोडक्ट ए सर्टन फॉर्मुलेशन बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी कन्फर्म्ड द पायलट प्लांट टेक्निक। नाउ if the production is done at large scale, then these technical service people जो है they will also help in future. Now considering the interrelation of the pilot plant group with that of the other group, that means pilot plant group is having a relation between the R&D, processing, engineering, QA, QC, packaging, validation, regulation and marketing. All these areas, all the departments are interrelated to the pilot plant activity. Now for the pilot plant, what personnel we require? First of all, pharmaceutically trained scientist we require, number one. तो दैट मीन्स उसमें जो फार्मास्यूटिकल नॉलेज जिसको होता है, प्रोडक्शन नॉलेज होता है, वो हमको वहाँ अपॉइंटमेंट करना है। इंजीनियरिंग पर्सनल अपॉइंटमेंट करना है, क्योंकि जो इक्विपमेंट हम लोग इंस्टॉल करते हैं, मेंटेनेंस, रिपेयरिंग, वो काम वो करेंगे। सॉफ्टवेयर पर्सनल डाटा एंट्री के लिए ज़रूरत है। इंग्लिश पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल में अच्छा होना है, वो डाटा प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए ज़रूरत है। QA एंड QC पर्सनल उन लोग को हम लोग को ज़रूरत है, इसीलिए कि वहाँ पर जो भी हमारा प्रोडक्ट बनेंगे उसका टेस्ट होगा, वो QA QC पर्सनल उसका हैंडल करेंगे। देन प्रोडक्शन सुपरवाइजर एक्सपर्ट इन इक्विपमेंट हैंडलिंग एंड प्रोडक्शन। देन द प्रोडक्शन ऑपरेटर वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस विथ पर्टिकुलर डोसेज फॉर्म एंड इक्विपमेंट। देन द स्पेस रिक्वायरमेंट, स्पेस क्या क्या चाहिए, ऑफिस के लिए चाहिए एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिस, कंप्यूटर सेक्शन। देन द फिजिकल टेस्टिंग एरिया where analytical equipment will be kept and all the physical testing will be done. Then space for standard pilot plant equipment, all the pilot plant equipment जो है सब वहाँ इंस्टॉल होंगे। और स्टोरेज एरिया we have to keep all the excipients, active ingredients, then finished bulk product, finished package item, all these things we have to keep or store in that area. In this quarantine also there, quarantine means we have to keep the product finished product in such a manner that in the particular temperature and humidity, so that for a long period of time we have to see its stability. All the tests so we have to do in between frequently within 1 month or two, up to 1 year or 2 years like that, or to its shelf life. Then the review of the formula, whatever the formula is developed in an R&D scale, that will be reviewed in the pilot plant. We have to review the formula, the content of the excipients and other substances which are added. Then the raw material, we have to physically verify the raw material, whatever we have used in R&D. Here in the pilot plant we have to verify the raw material. Then the relevant processing equipment, whatever the equipment we are going to use in the pilot plant, we have to see that those equipment should be helpful in future in the production, large scale production, or their higher version will be used. In this case, suppose in pilot plant we are using a tablet machine of 1 lakh capacity, there we will use 5 to 10 lakh capacity. So ultimately that will be the higher version of the same company, that will be better for use. Then the rate of production, the rate is very important, because sometimes we need less production, that is scale down, and sometimes we have need hyper production, that is called as the scale up. So that is to be studied. Then the process evaluation, whatever the process will be going on, that means the heating or cooling, screening, drying temperature and addition, mixing, speed of mixing, all these process evaluation we have to see and evaluate and finalize. Then the preparation of the master manufacturing procedure. So after confirmation all these things steps, we have to go for the manufacturing, then starting from the mixing up to the production, all the steps we have to record in the master manufacturing procedure. Then finally is the good manufacturing practice consideration. That means for each and every production we need GMP certification. For that we need that all the documentation should be there, relevant written standard operation procedure, well defined technology transfer, equipment qualification, then the process validation, regular scheduled preventive maintenance, then revalidation, then the adequate provision for training of personnel, validation, cleaning procedure. Then all the steps we have to record and keep the records and documents. Then GMP people will come and see the documents, verify physically all these activities, then finalize whether we are in a position for a GMP certification or not. That should be done during scale up also. Then the transfer of the analytical methods to quality assurance. Quality analytical method means whatever the analytical method we have followed for any analytical procedure. Suppose during the tablet production we have to go through, see the dissolution rate, disintegration rate, then weight variation, etc. So in that case the method and the data all will be verified by the QA, quality assurance department. So for that reason the analytical method data will be transferred to the quality assurance department. Thank you.